Hi guys, this is a new video to solve some word problems involving integers. Let's start. A submarine, the first one, a submarine was situated 450 feet below sea level. If it descends 300 feet, what is its new position? Okay, we already know that the initial position of the submarine is 450 feet below sea level. Below sea level means a negative number, a negative integer. We can represent it as minus 450. Then we know that the submarine descends 300 feet. So if it descends, we can represent that quantity as minus 300 feet. So in order to get the new position of the submarine, we can do this calculation. Minus 450, that was the initial position, minus 300 equals minus 750 feet. So the answer of our problem is minus 750 feet. Okay, let's see another one. In a winter day, the temperature was minus 4 degrees Celsius at 6 a.m. At midday, it had grew 7 degrees Celsius, but at midnight is minus 2 degrees Celsius. What is the difference between the midnight and midday temperatures? Okay, we know the first temperature was 6 at 6 a.m. was minus 4 degrees Celsius. At 12 a.m., in other words, in the midday, was 3 degrees Celsius because it has grown 7 degrees Celsius, so we have to add 7 to minus 4, which is 3 degrees Celsius. At 0 a.m., the temperature was minus 2 degrees Celsius, and they asked us to get the difference between the temperature at midnight and the temperature at midday. So we have to subtract minus 2 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius. The difference is minus 2 minus 3 equals minus 5. Okay? In other words, the temperature fall up to 5 degrees Celsius in those 12 hours. Another problem. This new problem is about a cube. A cube is a figure, and we know the volume of a cube that equals 125 centimeters cube. What is the side of the cube expressed in centimeters? Okay. What we know is that the formula of the volume of a cube is volume equals the side of the cube cubed, raised to the third power. Okay, but what we need to know is the side of the cube. So in order to get the side of the cube, we have to take cube root of the volume, because cube root is the operation, the opposite operation of raising to the third power. So as the volume is 125, the cube root of 125 equals 5 centimeters. So the side of our cube is 5 centimeters. The last problem. There are 5 raised to the 7th power grains of salt in a container of salt. If a large store has 5 raised to the 4th containers of salt, how many grains of salt do they have? Okay, this is a very easy problem. What we need to know is that to get the total amount of grains, we have to multiply both quantities, 5 raised to the 7 times 5 raised to the 4th. Every container has 5 raised to the 7 grains of salt, and there are 5 raised to the 4th power containers. We need to multiply both quantities, and we apply the property that said if we multiply 2 powers with the same base, we let the same base and we need to add the exponents. In this case, we let 5, which is the base, and we add the exponents in this case, which are 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 equal 11, so the total amount of grains equals 5 raised to the 11th grains of salt. Okay, I hope you understood these 4 problems. Any question, as you know, you can drop me an email, or you can let a comment in the forum. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye.